There are various advantages of ginger and it's utilized in an assortment of ways. Ginger is the rhizome of the plant Zingiber officinale. A rhizome is the level stem of a plant normally discovered underground. Roots and darts become away from their hubs. Different names for rhizomes are rootstocks or crawling rootstock. Subsequently, you may have heard the regular name of ginger alluded to as root ginger or ginger root. Ginger is a perpetual, reed-like, plant growing 3 to 4 feet tall. It produces groups of white and pink blossom buds that sprout into yellow blossoms. As a result of its engaging magnificence and appreciation for warm environments, it's utilized as arranging for some subtropical homes. Ginger has a sweet and fiery fragrance. Youthful ginger rhizomes are succulent, beefy, and have a gentle taste. It's picked and utilized as a fixing in cooking dishes or saturated with bubbling water for ginger tea. Powdered dry ginger is frequently utilized as a seasoning for snacks, sweets, bread, treats, saltines, cakes, and the sky is the limit from there. Develop ginger roots that are stringy and almost dry. The juice from these roots is amazingly powerful. It's utilized as a zest or enhancement for Chinese, Japanese, or numerous South Asian cooking styles. Ginger was initially developed in South Asia. Top makers are presently found in the nations of India, China, Indonesia, Nepal, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Japan, Thailand, the Philippines, and Sri Lanka. Verifiably, the restorative term for ginger was Jamaican ginger. It's currently developed in Jamaica and comes into this nation dried and saved. Ginger from the West Indies is viewed as the best. Medical advantages of ginger. Ginger contains fundamental oils, protein, calcium, phosphorus, iron, nutrient C, choline, folic corrosive, inositol, manganese, pantothenic corrosive, silicon, and a limited quantity of nutrient B3. Eases or decreases queasiness, looseness of the bowels, heartburn, movement ailment, the agony and aggravation of joint pain, tension, melancholy, resentful stomach, colds, hacks, asthma, bronchitis, influenza, sore muscles, migraines, feminine spasms, and the sky is the limit from there. It invigorates helpless flow and craving. A few examinations report it might help forestall coronary illness with its conceivable, blood diminishing and cholesterol bringing down properties. It has cell reinforcements benefits with more than 12 sorts of cancer prevention agents. Blue ginger, from Madagascar, has an especially intense cell reinforcement. Alert! Albeit ginger is perceived as protected, it might cause hypersensitive responses, for example, bulging, gas, indigestion, burping, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Skin health management and ginger essential oil. Ginger fundamental oil is removed by steam refining from the rhizome root and yields about 3% oil. It has a light yellow to dull golden tone with a solid, or sharp, hot-warm fragrance. It has empowering, invigorating, animating, against septic, and hostile to bacterial properties. Ginger fundamental oil isn't prescribed to utilize inside. Helps clear wounds, carbuncles, injuries on the skin, joint inflammation, ailment, muscle a throbbing painfulness, mitigate skin breakout, ease up age spots, battle skin harming free extremists, diminish cellulite, advance perfection and equity of skin tone, decline aggravation, increment brilliance to the skin, give fragrance-based treatment advantages, and the sky is the limit from there. This oil is utilized in numerous business and handcrafted skin health management items, cleansers, shampoos, emollients, body scours, creams, salves, shower oils, knead oils, and the sky is the limit from there. Ginger oil mixes well with bergamot, frankincense, neroli, rose, sandalwood, jongjong, patchouli, rosewood, cedarwood, coriander, lime, grapefruit, geranium, spearmint, lavender, orange, vetiver, and other zest or citrus oils. It's a non-harmful and, generally, non-disturbing substance, aside from when utilized in higher fixations. Alert! Ginger oil can aggravate the skin and cause photosensitivity, affectability to daylight. It can cause hypersensitive skin responses like rashes, hives, redness, or other skin aggravations. Those with touchy skin ought to either try not to utilize ginger oil or use it with outrageous alert. Quit utilizing any items containing ginger oil, heaps of skin disturbance. If side effects continue, look for exhortation from your clinical well-being supplier. Making homemade soap. Some simply love that unmistakable fragrance of ginger in their cleansers. Ginger is utilized for making cleanser, however it ought to be utilized with outrageous alert. On the off chance that you are simply figuring out how to make a cleanser, don't utilize ginger or ginger oil without the direction of an expert cleanser creator. As referenced already, ginger can be aggravating for a few. See about ginger before utilizing it, at any rate. Utilize this cleanser making oil with other citrus or zest kind of oils to have a free, mixed, fragrance. A dash of ginger oil can be carefully assembled, with other normal oils, in a handcrafted cleanser. Ginger has been known to one or the other control or helps dispose of dandruff. A custom-made cleanser with a limited quantity of ginger oil can be purifying, molding, and sustaining for the hair and scalp. There are many energizing advantages of ginger root and ginger fundamental oil. Ginger is utilized throughout the planet in an assortment of ways.